In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install LastPass browser extension in Google Chrome. By the end, you'll have LastPass added to your browser so you can securely save and autofill passwords with ease. First, make sure you're using Google Chrome. Open a new tab and head to the Chrome Web Store. The fastest way is to type Chrome Web Store into the address bar or your search engine and press enter. In the results, choose the official Chrome Web Store link. You'll know it's the right place when you see a clean, simple page dedicated to Chrome extensions with a search box at the top. Once you're in the store, click the search box that says search the store, type LastPass and press enter. You should see the LastPass password manager extension in the results. Look for the official one with a high number of users and reviews and check that the publisher name matches the recognized LastPass developer. Verifying this helps you avoid lookalikes and ensures you're installing the trusted version. Click the LastPass extension result to open its page. Here you can skim the description, feature list and permissions to understand what the extension can do. When you're ready, click the Add to Chrome button on the right. Chrome will show a small prompt explaining the permissions LastPass needs, such as the ability to read and fill data on sites you visit. These permissions are necessary for password autofill to work properly. Confirm by clicking Add Extension. Chrome will download and install it automatically, and you'll see a quick confirmation in the top right corner. You may also notice the LastPass icon appear near the puzzle-shaped extensions button. If you don't immediately see the icon next to your address bar, click the puzzle icon and choose to pin LastPass so it's always visible. That makes it easier to access your vault and settings with one click. If the button on the store page already says remove from Chrome or manage, that means you've previously installed it and you're all set. If you're on a work or school computer and the Add to Chrome button is disabled, your administrator may need to allow extensions first. That's it. LastPass is now installed in Google Chrome. From here, you can sign into your LastPass account or create one if you're new, and the extension will start offering to save and autofill passwords as you browse. Thanks for watching and enjoy a simpler, more secure password experience.